Google. Let's go get them again.
What's going on, fragrance family? Today we're going to be unboxing from the brand of Jimmy Choo, and this one right here called Jimmy Choo Man Ice. A few months ago I did a video on a subscriber's choice. I asked you which fragrance you wanted me to unbox first, and you chose this one right here. So Jimmy Choo Man Ice, this thing right here had a little bit of a teeny weeny little hype train on the tube 3 to 4 years ago that a few fragrance reviewers really liked this one. I blind bought this one, wondering, why not see if this one is worth the hype that a few YouTubers gave it. A little background between myself and Jimmy Choo, the brand, before I unbox this one. The brand of Jimmy Choo, I own zero of the brand. This is going to be my very first bottle with a collection like mine. Kind of surprising, maybe not. This brand has received some love within our community. I've heard good things about Jimmy Choo. I think it's called Blue. Jimmy Choo Man Intense also has some love. And of course this one, I think this one has the most love upon the brand. The Jimmy Choo brand itself is fairly new to fragrances in the men's aisle. I think it was back in 2014 when they released Jimmy Choo Man, and then they started releasing Intense, Ice, Blue. There's an Aqua, I think they just released, and they do have now an Urban Hero line. Honestly, this one's the most popular one of the brand, and a big brand like Jimmy Choo, I really feel like the marketing, the bottles, and just everything, the scent themselves and the reviews that we're getting out of this brand, it really leaves a lot to be desired here. There's not really much from this brand that I get excited about. Maybe this one will change my mind, but this one right here, I stumbled upon this bottle at Shoppers Drug Mart. It even actually still has the little sticker in the back. In Canada, we have these little drugstores called Shoppers Drug Mart, and they have a cheapy $19.99 rack, which is $19.99 Canadian. So my American friends, this is probably a $5 bottle. I decided why not? It gives me a good idea of the brand now because this is one of the hype ones and what they can do, especially with a freshie. It's hard to make a really good freshie, and this one has a good reputation. So let's get into dissecting, unboxing this one and see what we get here. So let's see if I can open this one up. All right, done. And the bottles themselves, I love a nice clean white bottle. So this is a nice little 30 ml EDT, so it's an eau de toilette. And as you can see in my hand here, this is tiny, but just good enough for me to test the thing out. I really do like the cap, and I like the gradual white to clear bottle. So let's sniff this one out. Let's see what we get. Yeah, let's see. Put it on my skin here. Probably needs a couple sprays of this stuff. So Jimmy Choo Man Ice. Let's sniff it out. Ooh, okay, so first thing first, citruses right off the bat. Very lemony. Yeah, a lot of people compare this to Dior Homme Cologne. Yeah. The citrus in here, very nice. There's a mandarin, citrus, yellow lemon, citron here up top. Really nice. Yeah, it's actually, you know what? Good summer cheapie. I hear there's a lot of performance issues with this one. Fair enough. A lot of cheap summer releases, they're not going to last on your skin, but yeah, there's a lot of citrus here. Bergamot, mandarin, a lemony type tone on this particular fragrance. There's not much more. I'm not smelling much in the background in this opening. It has a very generic backbone to the citruses, so I'm very intrigued to see once those citruses burn off, and they are going to burn off, and probably quite quickly. This is going to be one of those that you have to reapply every so often, maybe every hour, just to get that beautiful opening back. I'm not smelling much of a backbone here, so a good straight up lemony scent up top, good citruses. I'm very surprised on the quality of the citruses. I've smelt some pretty bad citruses throughout my years with fragrances. This one, is just an easy to reach freshie from what I see. Not much complexity here. Easy to wear, signature scent worthy, maybe depending. Very first cologne to purchase. Yeah, it could be easy to reach kind of thing. Something to freshen you up after the gym. This is the kind of scent I would see. This is one of those that I can see a lot of people, you can't overspray this one. I feel like, you know, this one is going to die down on your skin. I already feel it dying down already, which is a concern, but yeah, you can overspray this one. You're not going to offend much. It's crisp, it's clean. There's nothing really wrong with this one. The ice, yeah, the citruses give you that icy feeling. So I really do like this. It's clean. It's a little musky now. The more it's on my skin, so it's probably got like a little white musk to kind of give it a little oomph towards the end of the fragrance. But other than that, an okay release. It's good. It's a good little freshie. Can you get it for 10 bucks, 15 bucks? Why not? It's not something that's going to blow your socks off, but it has a pretty good introduction. I can't wait to delve into it. I don't think there's going to be much in the dry down of this release. If at all, I'm feeling very thin backbone on this particular release. So projection longevity, I'm assuming, is pretty terrible from what a lot of people have saying. Yeah, I'll agree with that. There's a very good nose attached to this. Michel Almarac is the nose behind this, so he knows what he's doing. Yeah, very good release here. Now that you heard my take, I would love to see yours in the comments below. What do you think about this one? Is this a pass for you? Is it a blind buy worthy fragrance? It's a fragrance that you would wear a lot. I think it's decent for somebody that's just starting out, finds it really cheap. I wouldn't pay more than 30 bucks for this fragrance at all. But if you have like a very small collection, that you don't have too many freshies and you find this in the bargain bin, I don't see why not. As always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression. Choose your scent wisely. Thanks for watching.